Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to tell you all you need to know about the brand new Urban Decay Naked Wild West Eyeshadow Palette. Let the tea spilling session begin. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, hi, on this channel I am talking a lot about makeup, skincare, fragrances, and I'm not here to try to convince you to buy everything that are releasing non-stop in the beauty market. And I'm here to remind you to buy only things you will use often enough. So if that's your vibe, then we can vibe together. Please consider subscribing. And if you are my returning subscribers, hi, thank you so much for supporting me all this time and welcome to this fun video today. I'm here to give you information as well as my advice and my perspective on that palette. Hopefully I can help you make a decision. And it's retailing for $49. It's already out right now. It's released on February 8th 2021, and it is not a limited edition, so this is within their permanent line. I'm happy to report that because I am done with limited edition. This is a vegan eyeshadow palette with 12 desert inspired neutral eyeshadows from pale peach and metallic bronze to deep blue, green, and turquoise shimmer. It's vegan, cruelty-free, 12 times 0.03 ounce. Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes, the Naked line specifically, was the first eyeshadow palette that I've seen. You know, like I remember in my aunt's house, she has the Naked One palette, and I would like open it and it's just amazing, but I didn't know anything about makeup at that time. I think it started the eyeshadow palette trend that lasts until today. I think it's even before Modern Renaissance from ABH. So this is like even before that. And the Naked line kind of has a few hits and miss. Their most recent hit, I think, is the Naked Honey palette, and it's stunning. I have the Naked Heat palette. I don't use it too often, but I liked it. I like that all the Naked palettes have themes. I'm excited to see a more colorful, a little bit of a variety palette. I find that the brushes that Urban Decay included in their palette are actually really good quality. I love the packaging. It's very like rattlesnake crocodile kind of skin, but it's like holographic. Inside there are 12 different colors. Now there is a little bit more variety than their recent Naked palette. There is a silver shimmer, there is a shimmery mint, and there is a matte dark green, almost like a bluish kind of green. Beside that, the rest of the palettes are pretty neutral and leaning a little bit warm. I see a nice range of color from light to dark, so it's probably pretty skin tone friendly. 3 different dark shades that you can use to deepen every look. There's a whiskey, which is a warm chocolate brown, text, which is that dark green blue, and there's pony up, which is the dark cool tone brown, almost like grayish brown. It just looked like a really nice eyeshadow palette. If you are a collector, if you love the Naked line, I really don't see why you wouldn't snatch this palette up. You are into a little bit of pop of green, a little bit of silver in a more neutral palette. This palette is for you. This is just a really smartly designed palette, and I'm here for it. I'm personally not going to pick it up because I already have 3 eyeshadow palettes coming in the mail. If you can wait a little bit until Sephora probably will have their spring sale where you can get like 15, 10%, 20% off depend on your membership. You should wait and get this palette then if you really want it, because these colors, I don't see why you wouldn't have them already. There's no rush in buying them. They're not going anywhere. It's a permanent palette, So you can wait a little bit until you can pick it up with a sale. That would be a much better value. Beside that, I think it's priced correctly. I think it has a nice brush included it. Who doesn't like a nice free brush, right? It has different texture, different colors. It has a nice range of depth. It looks like it can be very versatile. You can create a lot of different looks with this, which was the problem I have with the Naked Heat. The Naked Heat is beautiful. It looks amazing on my warm skin tone, but all the looks kind of mushed together. All of the looks I created using the Naked Heat palette looked almost identical. I just like a little bit of a variety and a little bit of versatility when I use an eyeshadow palette, and I see that with this Wild West palette, so I'm happy to report that. And also, I like it when a palette can give me a complete look. So it would be a huge miss if they don't include like a super light shade and a super dark shade. And especially when you have like different choices for the smoke shades. That gives this palette so much versatility and it just looks so much better in my eyes. That's it for this video. I hope it helps you deciding whether you want to get this palette or not. I hope you have fun talking about makeup with me, because although I'm not picking it up right away, I still love this palette and I just need to talk to someone about it. So thank you so much for being here and listening to me. And sound off in the comment section below if you would pick this up or not. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy it, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine.